G'day, this is a brass part which is 8'BSP internal and external. I have no idea why. Here I am at the lathe. Some people say they're surprised when they see the size of the lathe. It's not very big, it's a benchtop job. There I'm pulling the work through to the drill, as using the drill as a stop. It gets quite difficult when you've got a full length bar in there because it's very heavy and it's difficult to jiggle it around and get it nicely seated in the 3-jaw chuck. 3-jaw chucks are not wonderful at holding hex. It's very easy to align it badly and it can come quite loose, which is a bit disastrous. There we're just drilling the hole with a standard 10mm stub drill. Just broke the sharp edge with the drill. That's a bit chattery, as you'll see in a later photo. Just taking the diameter down to the required diameter for threading, and after the thread's cut I'll bring the turning tool back to actually clean up both ends of the thread. Makes the ends of the thread so much nicer when you do it that way. I had to slow the spindle speed down because at that pitch the carriage just can't travel fast enough to cut the thread properly. I've only got 2700 millimeters per minute in rapid on this particular lathe. The other one's much faster. Here's the turning tool coming back and putting the chamfers on, finishing the profile. Then to the Kenner metal parting tool, which works really well. And then, as usual, once it stops, I'll tap the part off so as it doesn't get thrown all over the place and create damage on the thread. That's what the thread looked like. I was pretty pleased with that. It's not a bad looking thread. Crests and all cut by this tool. There's a shot of the insert. So I was quite pleased with the way that end came up. Now we transfer to the other machine which I use to do my tapping. And the parts are just put into a stop, which is screwed into a soft Morse taper arbor which is up in the spindle of the machine. You see that pendant's quite different. This is a later model machine. Same machine but with different electronics. Works on different software. Running this in slow range speed so that I can get some torque to do the tapping. And 1200 I think is the top speed I can get out of it in low range. So it's the bore cleaned out, down to 400 for the tapping. Tapping done. There's the tap part, and I even got to make some short ones. Thank you for watching.